Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on get notifications when your friends stream on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click on your profile. Now click notifications, and here as you see you will find get notifications when your friends stream. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on, and that's it. That's how to turn on get notifications when your friends stream on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.